ಅಮೃತ್ ನೋನಿ ಪೇನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್, ನೋವಿಗೆ ವಿರಾಮ, ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಾಮ.
First of all, I want to deny all his reasons for why NEET should be banned. First reason he is telling, it is against the marginalized people, it is against reservation. He is telling the backward and the ST students are affected. No, strict reservation is followed during this election in NEET. Second, he is telling about the syllabus. I remember the students when they came out from the NEET hall and they gave interview to all the channels recently, they told about 97% of the questions were from our syllabus. It's an open statement by all the students, and it was true also. And third, he is telling the children are more affected, the village children, the rural children are more affected. But when we take the statistics before NEET and after NEET, there is the equal distribution of selection from all, even the backward districts. Particularly Ariyalur is a much backward district. From that district itself, children has passed NEET and they have taken the medical profession. But before, it was not the picture. And another thing, he is talking about the students studying in the government schools. Before statistics, even the Rajan committee, which was maintained by the state government, they were unable to tell how many students were admitted who studied in the government schools, because they didn't want to do that because the number is very negligent. I think 2 to 3 students or less than 3%. The students who were selected were rich students who had training in some schools like Namakkal. They did not undergo the syllabus of this +1, and they straight away took the +2, and they had the training, and artificially their marks were boosted and they got the marks and they got the admission. So all these mistakes has been avoided in the NEET, and even the reservation is followed. The rural students are benefited. Even the government studied schools children are benefited. Even the NEET is conducted in the own mother tongue. And the people, the children who studied in the Tamil medium also got selected after NEET. So these are all the positive things about NEET. And another positive thing is more than 2 lakh Tamil Nadu students have registered for the NEET examination in the present year. So when the students started taking it, students started studying it, students started preparing it, and students started lauding it, the politicians, only for the political reason, it's very unfortunate, politician Vijay has revealed his mind like this. It's very unfortunate.
ನಾವು ಸಲಹಿದ ಕೈಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ನೋವಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸಿದಾಗ ಆಗುವ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅಮೃತ್ ನೋನಿ ಪೇನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್, ನೋವಿಗೆ ವಿರಾಮ, ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಾಮ.
ಅನುಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ www.vistaranews.com ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.